5 years before the fall, the Game of Thrones begins. Young Leto leaves the shores of Caladan, where the ocean sings. His father Paulus sends him off to Wix, the world of steel, to learn from Rombervernius a friendship forged for real. On Kaitain, old Elrond sits upon the golden throne, while Shaddam and Fenring plot his death, the poison slowly sown. A planetologist named Kynes receives the Emperor's command. Go find the secret of the spice on Arrakis's burning sand. And on Giddy Prime, a slave boy runs through killing grounds at night. Duncan, Idaho, just 8 years old, fighting for his life. From Caladan Rain to the desert flame, every house is playing the same deadly game. Atreides, Harkon, and Carino, names carved in the sand. The seeds of Dune are planted by a father's guiding hand. The Bene Gesserit scheme and breed, 3 generations left. Mohiam visits Gedi Prime, a union born from theft. The Baron Vladimir still lean, still proud, still cruel to the bone. Gives up the seat unwilling, a daughter not his own. The Tleilax who take X by force, the Sardaukar in disguise. Shaddam's plot for synthetic spice, the Amal enterprise. Leto watches Rumba's world collapse, his family exiled, lost. He swears he'll set things right one day, no matter what the cost. Duncan reaches Caladan at last, battered, scarred, but free. The Atreides take him in with grace, here begins his loyalty. From Caladan Rain to the desert flame, every house is playing the same deadly game. Atreides, Harkon, and Carino, names carved in the sand. The future of the universe rests in a young duke's hand. Kynes walks among the freemen, learns their secret dream to turn the desert into green. An impossible regime, they call him Uma, prophet of the terraforming age. 1,000 years of patience written on a single page. From Caladan Rain to the desert flame, the great houses clash, and nothing stays the same. Shaddam takes the throne through murder in the dark. trade sparks